Get Instagram followers like crazy without bots. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Why should you use Instagram? Over 1 billion monthly active users, 2.8 billion liked images every day, over 100 million stories shared every single day. It's in the top 5 most used social media. Now let me just remind you that if you have authority, you can sell anything. And Instagram is one of the best ways you can build authority nowadays. Literally, you know, these rock stars that are grown on Instagram like crazy. So first of all, you want to post every single day on Instagram. You want to post specific to an industry. You want high quality content. You want good captions and hashtags, and also utilize stories every single day. So the like, comment, and follow strategy, you want to engage with those accounts. You want to like, you want to comment, and you want to follow. Also search for hashtag related to your niche and follow them. Like, comment. These people will also like you back and follow you. So these people that you engage with, that you comment and like their stuff, right? They will also follow you. And the good thing about this is that you're building a tribe of people on the same niche, on the same thing that you're doing. And when you post something, because they're on the same niche, they will like and comment your post, and that makes your post go viral. Instagram algorithm will see that a lot of people are engaging with your post, and it will show to more people on their search engine. Now make sure to post consistently in your account, and make sure that your content is visual and also emotional. And the more emotion you put into your content, the more people gonna like it, because you know we are creatures and we are emotional. Emotion and stories, also stories. You want to tell stories because you know just sharing your life is just not good enough. You want to inject stories into it. Also, there's other Instagrams of people that are in your niche. If you could tag them, and that way your stuff could be shared on their Instagram, because there's big Instagrammers that want good content. They're looking for good content, and if you tag them in your post, and if they'll really like the content, they're gonna go ahead and share with their audience, and so you get a lot of subscribers through that as well. Now you could collaborate with other people, and each of you would tag each other. So make a post and tag your friend, and he would tag you as well. So you'd search for accounts the same size as yours, and then you would connect with them and tell them about the strategy. And you can also work together, like if you're doing something and you can tag everybody, and what happens is when you tag people, it will show them in their account, and so you get more seen. So to give you an idea, the like, follow, and comment strategy is very effective, and it's much better done if manually. Like, you know, people use bots to do this, but if you do it manually, it's going to be better, because you know who you're following, and it's just better when you comment and you engage with, you know, authenticity. It just makes better, and you get better followers. And literally with 4 minutes of commenting and engaging on other people's stuff, I got 7 followers and a lot of engagement within 4 minutes. So literally you could spend like 5 minutes per day, you know, engaging with people on Instagram, and that alone will build your audience. Is this making sense? If it is making sense, comment yes below this video. Also, another tip that I want to give you: when you do this strategy on Instagram, you know, you're doing this because you want to grow your Instagram account, right? Now let me just tell you that if you do this, do just this strategy. Don't try to, you know, grow other social media accounts. Don't try to do everything at one time. If you have people to do that, then that's fine. But if it's only you, focus only on this strategy, on doing this, and the result's going to be much better, because the man who chases 2 rabbits catches none. Is this making sense? If you do this, you're gonna get crazy amount of followers. Don't forget to like or unlike this video. If you enjoyed this content, go ahead and subscribe. If you know somebody that will benefit from this content, please share with them. Alright, thanks for watching. I did a webinar that I show people how I went from zero to over $20,000 promoting just one single product. And I will leave the link below this video if you want to check it out, the webinar that I did, and I show you how it's done so you can be able to copy the blueprint and do it yourself. And do it yourself. Alright, cheers, and I will see you on the next video.